What is up, my Ferber Nation, and welcome back to another video of Race Day. I'm doing this with face cam today. I'm gonna do something different today. It's kind of a challenge. I can say it's a challenge. Sorry if I'm looking sometimes up there. I'm actually. Wait, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Um. So I was saying, welcome back to another Race Day video. And today we're doing a bit of a challenge, and excuse me if I'm looking sometimes up. I am right now in my gaming PC. I used to call it my, unless it's not mine. So I'm gonna do a bit of a challenge. We're gonna try and race Arctic Challenge with different cars. Let's see how well that goes. So I'm looking so much at the face cam. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Oh, what did so let's do just that. See if the game doesn't crash. Arctic Challenge. So first of all, we can try it up with Mahov, because why not? Let's race. Let's race. Hopefully the recording doesn't crash, which there you go. Alright, yep. Okay, oh god. Yeah, the recording's doing awful with the race day. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Not that good. Not that good. My goal is to not get to the finish line. I've already messed up. Alright, yeah, this is going badly. Alright. Damn, this system is lagging hard. It's probably because of the recording. Oh damn, I forgot to put my bag first. Oh! Just a minute ago. Seriously, a minute ago, I did 117.57, and I am right now 10th in the weekly leaderboards. I forgot to check what my all-time is. I forgot to check what my all-time is because my all-time was actually 417th, I believe. So let's see if I lower to the best 300. If I did not lower to the best 300, gonna have to try again and make a better score. What did I do that? Whoa. My goal is, oh sorry, this looks awful without the hair right there, right? I'm very much stylish with my hair. I'm not gay, just in case. Okay, so my goal is to not get it's to get under 2 minutes. My goal is to not pass over 2 minutes. So let's try our best, huh? Let's go home. Hey, like coming, we don't wanna go home. Deo, we said Deo. The crap is taking longer than I expected. This is lagging like dog shit. With the freaking face cam, I believe. I think I should lower the HD a little bit. Yeah, I'm trying to stay in frame because I can't go over here not stay in frame. You know what I mean? Oh, it concentrates on the background as well, and I concentrate on me. There we go. Alright. Do you think I should put these on? I don't know why I should put these on, but I put them on. Huh? Huh? I don't know why I should put these on. Let me put these glasses over here. No, I shouldn't put these on. Yeah. But, we gotta try out or 5 cars. I mean, or 4 cars, or all the cars, because depending on in the if the recorder doesn't crash, if the recorder doesn't crash, um, the recorder doesn't crash, we can do all of them. But if we can't do all of them, we have to do at least 4. So I'm gonna go Fiddle. Let's go with old little Fiddle. Fiddle. I like this car. I used it. I remember. Come on now. Oh god, you sound like a roaring beast. I already messed up. I'm bad. Or actually, I'm not bad. I'm still bad. This is how bad I used to be when I started. Holy shit, I almost jumped as high as I with the Alameda. What the frick? That means this car is fast. I'm lagging out. My system is lagging out. It's not good. I'm gonna do this video with face cam, and then I'll do it without face cam. See if it's better. But I'll upload the face cam one nonetheless. I don't care. 1 a.m. I'm already a minute behind. Bump the back. Oh god, I shouldn't be doing that. Holy crap. I keep doing it. It's like I have a mirror just looking at it. Holy crap. Oh shit. I'm not looking to the game. I'm looking over to myself and my beautiful hair. Alright. Under 2 minutes. Very good. Flip around? Nah. Try with the what can we do next actually? Crap, no. Please no. My worst nightmare. Driller. Ooh, I used to use this car a lot. I left it because I have to use the Alameda now. Oh my god. Game load. Now. What? She was. Oh god. Hadouken. Hard face. Try hard. Nope, I missed. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's quit and try it again. Oh my god. I can't believe that. 1 second.